I'm just leaving Copdock Bike Show, another great show which is in another vlog that I'll put the link in the description. But now I'm going to take a little meander down the country route, so stay tuned for a little bit of Debenham and a little bit of in Suffolk. Whilst this is playing, please remember to hit that subscribe button, and if you're enjoying this vlog then give it a thumbs up and share it with your mates. And if you'd like to buy me a cup of coffee then you can do so by clicking on the link in my bio. It's very much appreciated. Thank you. Let's go on the tourist route. I love the look of this little town. I will definitely ride back here one day and have a proper look around. Look, there's a little baby hedgehog. Can you see that? Oh, hello. How cute. Great end to a wonderful day. Ta-ta for now.